good morning. Today I'm going to do my morning skincare routine. I have an oily acne skin, and in the winter I have a combination skin, but it's summertime, so my face really gets oily, and I have been using all these products for many years, so it really works for my skin. But firstly, we gotta brush our teeth using this one, Marvis toothpaste. Just going to rinse my face. I'm using this Clinical Cleansing Complex. It's a lightweight gel texture, but it's not foamy at all, and it lathers like that. It's quite slippery texture, and it is based in salicylic acid, so it really gently resurface your skin and to clear your pores. And this is my go-to skin cleansing for many years now, and I have been using this one in the morning and at night time, and it really did a good job in clearing out my acne last year. That's why I'm still using it now, just in case I don't want to break out anymore and go through that process of stressful skin again. You can see it doesn't really foaming up, but it really effectively cleans your skin. So I'm going to rinse it now. I'm not sure if this really works, but I have been using Evian Water to rinse my face after the water rinsing. So what I normally do is I just get a bit of water from that bottle and I just quickly rinse my face. So I have been doing this one for a year, since I have the massive breakout, and I'm not really quite sure if it really helps with my skin, but because I'm just used to using it now, and this is my cleansing method. I don't dry my face after washing that with water. I'm just like trying to remove all the excess water from my face, and I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm going to my next step while my face is damp. I have this basket full of my skincare items, and I usually keep this one in my room away from my bathroom, because the steam from the bathroom is not good for your beauty items. Right, into my next step, which is my toner. It's from Klairs. It's really like a lightweight watery texture, and look at that consistency. Toner really locks on the moisture onto my skin after washing. And yeah, I also use this one to moisture my skin while having the massage, which is this one. I normally do these ice globes after the toner, while using the toner as the moisturizer, so this one glides more easily, and it really is relaxing. Oh, I normally just do this one when I have enough time in the morning. It's really good, and just really help for lymphatic drainage massage. But using this one, I have to put more of my toner more closer to my face, so you could see how. So you just have to gently onto your eyes, but it really helps to depuff your eye bags. I feel like I am in spa. This is usually they use when I go for spa. Ooh. And it really like helps to shrink my pores in the morning. If you could see, I still have a lot of hyperpigmentation left from the last year's breakout of my skin. After that, I normally just rinse this one with water and I keep them in the fridge. These are supposed to be kept in the fridge and freezer as well, but I normally just kept it in the fridge because it's cold enough, and yeah, and it's really good and it's beautiful. Next item is from Benton. This is the Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. It has this popular galactomyces fermentation filtrate, and it's supposed to smooth your eye areas, and that gives you some youthful skin under eye. And so far it's just hydrating my skin and it's quite lightweight. This item is my vitamin C. It's my favorite vitamin C. I have tried so many products and this is really give me the best results that I have been looking after. And this is a 15%. This is a 15% L-ascorbic acid. It comes with a dropper like this, and if you could see that vitamin, there you go. There you go. There is some cheaper version. I think the Timeless, I have tried that, but I didn't see any improvement with my skin as well. I have to wait for at least 2 minutes before I'm gonna use another item. While waiting, I'm just massaging my face. I'll use my next item, which is my Azelaic acid from Facetheory. It's their Azelaic, and it comes with a dropper again. It is quite like a white serum. This is a plant-based serum and with some added antioxidant like green tea and chamomile with colloidal oats to calm your skin. Look at that. It's quite thick, isn't it? And I just have to massage it again onto my face. For me it's slightly heavier, but it never breaks me out as well. So I have been using this one for I think 6 weeks now, although it's really quite difficult to tell if it's helping with my hyperpigmentation, but the good thing is I never broke out with this one. It's quite sticky, but it disappears after a few seconds, and it's supposed to help with hyperpigmentation, acne, rosacea skin. And I think this is only a UK product. I'm not sure if you can get this one international. So yeah, it doesn't have any distinct smell. It's really just a plain serum. And the good thing is it's quite affordable. Although the Paula's Choice, I have used that too, but because it's quite pricey, that's why I tried to have this as my alternative. And the Paula's Choice is only 10% azelaic acid, but it is really good and effective in brightening your hyperpigmentation. So after I will be finishing this, I think I'm going back to Paula's Choice. I'm still halfway. Right, let's go on with another product. It's my moisturizer with an added SPF of 50. It's from Dr. Jack, and he is a aesthetic doctor, and he formulated all these serums and skincare items, and this is the first one that I have tried, and it is a really amazing product. And it has this a bit of a yellow tint in it. It's supposed to be a tinted moisturizer, but it's not really covering any of my imperfection at all. It is a physical sunscreen as well, and with added mineral tint. And yep, it says in their website that one pump is enough to cover your face, and I usually add another pump because my face is quite massive. And yeah, so that's how it goes. It has a really refreshing scent. I think it's like a cucumber scent, this one. Yeah, so it really glides into your skin, into my skin easily. Look at that. And see that it doesn't really cover any of my imperfections. It's really smooth and lightweight moisturizer. It is a broad spectrum, so it covers the UVA and UVB. And yeah, there you go, with some added antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E in it, but I'm not sure how many percent is a vitamin C in here. There you go. And it never breaks my skin. There you go. I'm really loving this product, although it's really expensive, but I think it goes a long way because I have been using this one for a month. And yeah, it doesn't irritate my skin and my eye areas. Normally a lot of SPF irritates my eyes. I really can't stand those products, but this one, since it's physical sunscreen, it's more towards for sensitive skins. That's why it can go into my eyes like that. When I'm at home, I usually just use that as my SPF, but when I'm going out, I normally top up with another SPF. And it really is sinking into my skin so well, and I never get oily from this one compared to a lot of moisturizers. And I'm going to line some bit of my eyebrows, so my camera is really close to my face. This is what my eyebrows looks like now after 12 weeks of using Revitalash. So normally this is the Revitalash high definition pencil. See how easy is that now? So I'm just oops. So this is how my skin looks like. This is after 10 minutes of that moisturizer. And lastly is I'm going to use this is when I have to go out, but I'm going to show you. It's my P20. It's the sun cream for children, and this is really a good sunscreen because it's not too heavy and it's quite lightweight on the skin, and it doesn't give that white cast. It does a little bit, it's lightly onto my skin, but it's not as compared with other brands that I have used. So I just have to give a quick shake and there you go. So it comes like off-white kind of color. It's not really, it's not watery at all, it's like cream texture. So usually we're supposed to put half a teaspoon onto our face and neck. So I normally just dot it into my face to have that even distribution. And I just have to pat it. I don't rub it into my face because I don't want to remove all those skincare and this sunscreen out. Although with this one it still irritates my eyes, that's why I don't put it on top of my eyelids. I use the Dr. Jack for that. And our ears too, don't forget that, because they do get sunburn. And usually it disappears in about 5 minutes. So that's my morning skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you are looking for this sort of topic, I normally share a lot of my beauty items favorites in my channel. And I do also cooking sometimes.
Time to drive. No shouting. Bye bye.